In this video, we're going to replace this radiator air deflector on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Remove this cover. There's some push pins. Just use a trim tool, pull the push pins out. And pull the cover off and line the air deflector up. Take the push pins, get them all started. And push them down, lock them in place. Oh, one more.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.